Okay, to start with, make up a solution with washing up liquid and warm water. So we're trying to get rid of this wallpaper, and some kind person in the past decided to paint it, making it even harder to get off. I don't recommend using steamers, because if you've got dodgy plasterwork, then sometimes it can debond it from the wall, making all the plaster fall off and creating more work. So I'm just scraping off the top layer with a sharp scraper. These ones you can change the blades so you don't have to worry about sharpening them. So now the top layer of paper's off. Give the backing paper a good soaking with the solution we made. And the reason I use this solution rather than just water is the water would be running off the wall by now, whereas the washing up liquid in the water makes it cling to the paper better, so it stays on and gives it a good soaking. After letting it soak in for about 15-20 minutes, it comes off dead easy, nothing to it. As I said before, if you use a steamer, this is what can happen. The plaster debonds and comes away from the wall, creating a lot more work. But don't worry, it's fixable. And I'll be making a video about how I fix this wall very soon.